Morning, everyone. It's Thursday the 23rd. Just a very short video today for you. Nothing new, with the exception of this document here that I said I would share with you yesterday. It's a nice little chart of contrasting Protestant and Catholic doctrine. So you can add this to your file. This is going to be located in Period 1 review material. So nothing new. You remember you have your rescue packet you should be working on, and or your art history review. That should keep you occupied for a while. So nothing new here. Just a reminder that we will be meeting tomorrow at 9:30. Remember, we're doing it a little bit differently because you're going to be sourcing 5 documents from a DBQ. You're going to be coming up with a thesis, and again, the goal of that is to do that within 25 minutes. So if you can make it, please make sure you're on that Zoom call tomorrow. If you can't, I understand. I know I talked to somebody about it. That's fine. But it would be, I think, nice if everybody was there. So that's all I have for today. Obviously, if you have questions, let me know. But add this to your, or use this information here to fill out your rescue packet. And I'll see everybody tomorrow.